how's the water out there?
Well, it's not too cold, but it's not windy enough.
Really? Were you surprised?
Yeah, I've been waiting all day for it, and it hasn't happened. Probably be after dark now.
So why'd you decide to come in now and not stick it out a bit?
Because it's dark.
Usually when there's a tropical storm coming this way, or a big storm, or is this the first place you think of?
Depends on the direction of where we go. But time and time again, a hurricane never works out. It's either really gusty or there's no wind at all, or something.
So it's safe to say that this storm's nothing. You're not really concerned about this storm at all, or?
Well, there's nothing happened yet.
Yeah.
It's, you know,
This isn't a storm.
This isn't a storm.
Yeah,
I mean,
the beginning, I guess.
It blew harder last Thursday than it did